Hey guys, guess what? I replaced the foam board with this wooden board now. So I got this board from Home Depot, um, but I didn't put anything on it yet. So I also got these plasters and some screws to put up those back boxes onto the board. So yeah, um, the future system test, it won't be system test 1, it'll be system test 7. Even though I took out almost everything, it still would be system test 7, because the system didn't age well yet, and so that's why I'm going to consider it as system test 7 in the future. And there's the board over here. I didn't even need to keep it here right now. I could have just thrown it away. The mini horn, I didn't take it out, and I didn't even take out its wires, because I'm gonna keep it as it is. So yeah, that's all I need to let you know.